Picture this. You're talking to a beautiful woman. Most guys, they freeze up. They start showering her with compliments like, "Wow, you're so gorgeous. You must have guys lining up for you." And what happens? She smiles politely and forgets him 5 seconds later. But there's a different way. Instead of playing it safe, imagine you say something a little dangerous, a little forbidden, something that sounds like you shouldn't say it. And suddenly, her eyes light up. She laughs. She leans closer. And now she's chasing you. That's what today's video is about. I'm giving you 11 forbidden things you can say to women that instantly flip the attraction switch. Most guys will never use these because they're afraid. But if you deliver them with confidence and playfulness, you'll stand out in a way she'll never forget. 1. You might be too young for me. This one works like magic because it flips the script. Instead of trying to prove you're good enough for her, you're playfully suggesting she might not be good enough for you. Here's how you drop it naturally. She tells you her age. Maybe she's like, "I'm 23. You smile, lean back a little, and say, I don't know. You might be too young for me. I don't think you could keep up." Now, instead of you chasing her approval, she's suddenly trying to prove she's mature enough, experienced enough, whatever it is, to you. Women love that little playful challenge. 2. They say, "Cute girls are always bad kissers." This line is pure genius because it plants the idea of kissing in her mind without you directly saying, "I want to kiss you." Picture this. She's laughing. Maybe she says something a little silly. You smirk and go, "You know what they say, cute girls are always terrible kissers." Now she's in a spot where she wants to prove you wrong. She might giggle and be like, "Oh, really? Who told you that?" Or she might lean in and say, "Want to test that theory?" The key is to deliver it with a playful grin, like you're teasing a little sister, but with that spark of flirtation. 3. You're such a bad girl. Every woman has two sides, the sweet, polite version she shows the world, and the mischievous, playful side she saves for someone special. This line gives her permission to bring that second side out with you. Maybe she steals a fry off your plate. Maybe she teases you about your shirt. You lean in, shake your head, and say, "Wow, you're such a bad girl." She'll laugh, maybe playfully smack your arm, and suddenly you've created this fun, flirty energy where she feels safe being playful with you. 4. You're not really my type, but you're cute. Most guys are bending over backwards trying to be the girl's type. But when you say this, you're flipping the frame. Imagine you're talking, she tells you something, and you smile and go, "You know, you're not really my type, but I'll give you credit. You're cute." Immediately she's thinking, "Wait, what's his type? Why am I not his type? And how do I change that?" That little mystery makes her want to qualify herself to you. And when a woman starts qualifying herself, you've got the upper hand. 5. I'll give you my number, but only if you promise not to text me 10 times tonight. This one's smooth, because most guys are begging for her number. You flip it. Instead of asking for hers, you're giving her yours, with conditions. Picture this. She's laughing. The vibe is fun. You pull out your phone and say, "All right, I'll give you my number. But only if you promise not to blow me up with like 10 texts tonight." She'll laugh, roll her eyes, and play along. Now, the whole number exchange feels like you're the prize, not her. 6. You're too much of a nice girl for me. This works because no woman wants to be seen as boring. You say this with a little smirk, and instantly she wants to show you she's not just a nice girl. Maybe she's sipping on a glass of wine, acting all proper. You lean in and say, "You know what? I think you're way too much of a nice girl for me." And she'll laugh, lean closer, and probably try to convince you otherwise. 7. You're crazy. I don't even know why I talk to you. This one builds that boyfriend-girlfriend vibe instantly. It's like you're already in a playful relationship. She says something silly, you laugh, shake your head and go, "You're crazy, I don't even know why I talk to you." She'll laugh, smack your arm, and now it feels like you two have your own inside jokes. That's chemistry. 8. "You'll never get into my pants if you keep doing things like that." This is bold, cheeky, and unforgettable. Instead of you being the one chasing her, you flip the script. Like she's the one trying to seduce you. She spills her drink, she gets clumsy. Perfect moment. You grin and say, "Wow, you'll never get into my pants if you keep doing things like that." She'll laugh, call you ridiculous, and now there's that sexual tension in the air. 9. "Damn, stop being so cute." This one works because it's real. You're admitting she affects you, but in a playful, confident way. You lean back, give her that look, shake your head and say, "Damn, stop being so cute." She'll laugh, beam, and feel powerful knowing she gets to you, and that only makes her want to turn it up even more. 10. "I kinda want to have breakfast with you." This is one of my favorites because it's smooth and subtle. On the surface, it sounds innocent, but she knows exactly what you mean. It's suggestive without being direct. And suggestion is always sexier than saying, "I want to sleep with you." Women love when you let them connect the dots themselves. 11. "That's a nice dress. Not too sure about the shoes, though, but hey, you gave it a try." This is playful teasing at its best. Instead of showering her with boring compliments, you mix in a cheeky little critique. She'll laugh, roll her eyes, maybe playfully hit your arm, and now you've got that fun, flirtatious vibe where she feels comfortable sparring with you. And trust me, that's way more attractive than just saying, "You look pretty." So here's the lesson, guys. Attraction isn't built on playing it safe. It's built on tension, teasing, and flipping the script so she's the one chasing you. Most men will never use these lines because they're scared of being too bold. But the truth is, when you say them with a playful smile and confidence, women love it. So, which of these forbidden lines are you bold enough to try first? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and turn on notifications.